Okay, so to uninstall the app, just long press on the logo on the app, and then you will get a pop-up that will look different depending on your phone. So in my case, what I have to do is just drag it to the top and drop it on top of uninstall, and then just hit OK. In your case, if you have like a Samsung, for example, you might look at something like this, and then just tap uninstall. Now, if you have an iPhone and you're getting a pop-up, just hit remove app, and it should uninstall it. If you don't get any pop-ups, go to settings, general, iPhone storage, find the app in the list, and then just hit delete app, and that should uninstall it. Now, if you have an Android and you don't see any options to remove it, just go to settings. So drag it from the top of the screen and do it once more. Then go to settings. Then go to apps. And then find the app in the list. It should be at the top usually. And hit uninstall. Then hit OK. And that's it.